Hey guys, welcome back to my channel and thanks for tuning in. This is another cooking edition. This is going to be the quickest video. I promise I don't intend this to be long, but I figured I'd show y'all on my journey to making these fried lobster tails. I do lobster all the time, never fried them. I'm gonna just throw some garlic salt on them and some blackened seasoning. I'm gonna heat up some oil in a large pot, a deep pot if you don't have a deep fryer, so that you can submerge the whole lobster in there to fry and cook evenly. These have been washed. These are fresh from the market, and I am going to clean them and all that stuff when I open them up, and I'm gonna be right back. Got my fryer pan ready. When they come out of the fryer, they can drip any excess oil off before I eat them. And yeah, I'm gonna start chopping them open right here, and I'm gonna be back with the very next step and show you what it looks like after. Okay, so as you can see, this shell is cracked. Don't worry about it, it doesn't matter. My other shell is cracked. You can see I also take the legs off of the bottom. So I remove those. I made sure that I washed these already, but when you open it up, there's gonna be roll or poop or whatever you wanna call it in the spinal looking part of the tail, just like there is a shrimp. So you want to remove that. If you are squeamish, do not look at this next couple of seconds. I'm about to show y'all exactly what I mean, and this is why I clean my food, seafood too. So I don't know if you can see. Well, yeah, you can definitely see. This gotta go. All of that has to come out. So you just remove it. It normally comes right off. And boom. We gonna take that. And then when I do the second one, I'm gonna rinse them off and then I season them. All right, so I got my other lobster tail done. What I went ahead and did was, after I washed them again, after cleaning the veins out, I patted them dry. If you know anything about crispy food, you know it must be dry. You know, have it cold as you can to get the optimal results. I just want to give y'all some of this seasoning bay vibe so that y'all know I literally only put them 2 things on it. I'm not trying to force it this time. I'm not trying to be fancy. I've never done it, so I'm just trying to see how it comes out, if I can do it. This one is serving gourmet restaurant style. This one giving small fry. This is the one the shell was cracked, so that's why it's not as presentable. So if you can get ones with better shells, but whatever, they fry the same. My oil is heating up. I'm gonna season this one up, dump them in some batter. I don't know. We finna see. All right, so I got those seasoned up, and I guess I lied because I got a little fancy. Decided to cut up a potato. I had a potato, and I tossed them in a little oil and some Lawry seasoning salt, and I'm gonna throw those in the air fryer. This is just some seasoned cornmeal. Something I got from the ghetto grocery store I had seen. It looked real cracky, and I mixed it with some flour in case that seasoning is too salty or it's nasty or it don't fry up how I like it. So yeah, we gonna dunk those in there. Then we gonna take it from there to the fryer, from the fryer back to there. See how them come out, throw them in the air fryer. All right, that's the before, that's the after. I made sure I held the tail back and coated that back side too. I'm gonna dunk him back in there because I don't want it to be like cake. I don't know. I don't want it to be like moist like that. I want it to stay floury like that upper. I want it to stay real floury. And I didn't even really put it in here like this because they were moist a little bit. Because when you season them, the salt draws water out. So even though I dabbed them off, they moisten back up. So I was just like, I wanted to, so my hands so messy, and like shaking it. And I'm gonna fry this. I'm gonna show y'all how it come out. Here's the final product: home cooked fries, not so crispy fried lobster tails, and some garlic aioli sauce. Although I'm not the most satisfied with how the presentation came out, had a nibble. It does taste good. It tastes better than it looks, and I will work on how to fry a lobster tail. Yeah, next time. Until next time, guys. Thanks for watching. Bye bye.